Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will show you how to use the remote control of the Galanz air conditioner. This is the on-off button of the air conditioner. With itself we can turn the air conditioner on and off. We use the operation mode button to change the mode of the air conditioner. This air conditioner has 5 modes: cooling, drying, fan, heating, and auto. Since the vast majority of the users use the cooling mode, we will start by explaining this mode. We press the mode button, and when a snowflake appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to cooling mode. In this mode, it's recommended to set the air conditioner temperature to 22-24 degrees Celsius. If you want your air conditioner to consume less energy, then keep the temperature between 24-26 degrees Celsius. This is the fan speed button of the air conditioner, and with itself we can change the fan speed of the air conditioner. This air conditioner has 4 speeds: low, medium, high, and auto. You can select low speed so that the fan sound does not disturb you in the bedroom. The swing button is used to move the blinds of the air conditioner up and down. With the help of manual button, we can stop it in any position. Now we press the mode button again, and a water drop icon appears on the screen. This is the drying mode. It is used to reduce the humidity in the house. We press the mode button again, and a fan icon appears on the screen. This is the fan mode, and in this mode, the air conditioner will work like a regular fan. We press the mode button again, and a sun symbol appears on the screen. This is the heating mode of the air conditioner. In this mode, we set the temperature of the air conditioner to above 26 degrees Celsius. Setting the air conditioner's fan speed to auto fan speed mode in heating mode allows the air conditioner to work more efficiently. At the same time, the outdoor unit will be covered with snow only when the air temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius. To switch to this mode, we press the fan button several times, and when the word auto appears on the screen, the fan switches to this mode. Fan auto. We press the mode button again, and we see the word auto on the screen. This is auto mode. In this mode, the air conditioner tries to keep the temperature in the house around 24 degrees Celsius at all times. If the temperature is lower than this indicator, the air conditioner will operate in heating mode, and if it is higher, it will operate in cooling mode. We return to cooling mode by pressing the mode button again. Now I will show you how to use the other buttons. Sometimes we set the temperature to 21-22 degrees Celsius when we lie down in our bed. Sleeping in a room with such a temperature can sometimes cause a cold. To prevent this, it is recommended to use sleep mode. When the sleep button is pressed, a crescent, moon, and star symbol appears on the screen. Each time the button is pressed, the number 1, 2, 3 appear next the crescent moon. These numbers mean that the air conditioner will raise the temperature by 1 degree after 1, 2, 3 hours. For example, if the number is 3, the air conditioner will raise the temperature by 1 degree Celsius after 3 hours, and again by 1 degree Celsius after 3 hours. Therefore, this mode allows for a comfortable sleep mode. To exit sleep mode, you need to press the same button again. This button is used to raise the temperature of the air conditioner and this button is used to lower it. It is possible to turn the light on the air conditioner on and off with the help of the display button. We can press the turbo button to intensify the cooling of the air conditioner. When this button is pressed, we see this symbol on the screen. Usually, air conditioners return to the previous fan mode after operating in this mode for 15-30 minutes. To exit the turbo mode, you need to press the same button again. Now we will explain the timer mode. This air conditioner has two timer modes, timer on and timer off. Timer on mode is designed to turn on the air conditioner at a desired time. Timer off is designed to turn it off. For example, we leave the house at 8 a.m. in the morning and turn off the air conditioner. We plan to return home at 8 p.m. We set the timer mode of the air conditioner to 11 hours and remove our hand. At 7 p.m., our air conditioner will turn on and cool our house until we return home. To exit this mode, we just need to press the cancel button. Or if we want our air conditioner to turn off after 5 hours while it's running, then we press the timer button and set it to 5 hours and remove our hand from the button. Our air conditioner will turn off after 5 hours of operation. To exit this mode, press the cancel button. Thank you for following us until the end.